yesterday only. I don't have a place to stay. I came over because of Maharaj.
स्टार्ट कर दो। हिंदी क्लास आई विल ट्रांसलेट। ये लगा दो। भजन भजन little slower boss, man is so much noise. That's the last one. Yes. So that side you will be get live. You don't have phone? So here, Aviri will come, she has the translator. नीचे 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 little, yes, yes. Hare Krishna Hindi broadcast is also available. You can check there. Hari Bol. Text number 23.
भजन व्यवस्था आज हम अष्टम जाम साधन प्रेम विषय की चर्चा हम श्रवण करेंगे। जिसमें रात्रि का मिलेगा प्रेम भजन संभोग मिलेगा, विवाह विवाह की कथा भी बनेगा। अभी तक हम लोग ने विरह लीला की संबंध किया।
I don't have a place. I came yesterday only.
Yesterday you came from Mayapur.
I went to the temple of Narayana Maharaj today.
Hare Krishna. Now you can hear. Please Hari Bol. So now we are going to start the Ashtam Yam Sadhan, chapter 8.
But I live in Mayapur. São Paulo.
You know him? Yeah.
Hare Krishna. Como você está? Muito bem. Obrigado.
What? Kambo?
अभी तक हम लोग ने
Kambo what? What is that? Kambo? So, Kambo sister listeners,
विरह के बारे में हम लोग श्रवण किया।
so we have heard about the
English is okay for me. Thank you.
You don't have phone here?
मान प्रभात
So we have heard about it till 7 chapters, the separation mode. Now we are going to start the meeting mode in the 8th chapter, Ashtam Yam Sadhan, Ratri Leela, Prem Bhajan Sambhogmaya.
मिलन ही ये विरह मिलन की पुस्तिका में प्राप्त है।
The separation always increases the meeting.
जिस प्रकार
Just like
कपड़े को यदि सफेद कलर में
if you put the cloths into the saffron color,
जिस प्रकार उसी की कारकता उज्ज्वलता उसे और भी अधिक रूप में प्रकाशित होता है।
so the saffron color into the cloth so much high,
विरह
that cloth will be so much saffron color.
तो क्या करते हैं मिलन की जो
So in the same way, when separation so much increases, so it increases the eagerness of meeting.
इसलिए
107.
जिस प्रकार चार प्रकार के विरह
So we have heard about the 4 kinds of separation: Purvagman, Pravas,
और प्रेम वचन
Prema, Vaichitrya.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
मिलन भी चार प्रकार के
there are 4 kinds of meeting also: Sanchipta, Sankirna, Sampanna, and Samriddhaman. This is 4 kinds of meeting.
पूर्वराग के बाद
After Purvarag, whatever the meeting is happened, that is called Sanchipta Sambhog or Samchipta Milan.
मान के बाद
After Man,
मान के पश्चात
after Man,
जो मिलन होता है उसके
that meeting happens, that is called Sankirna,
प्रवास के बाद
and after Pravas, the meeting happens, that is called Sampanna,
और प्रेम वैचित्र व सुदूर प्रवास के बाद जो
and after Prema Vaichitra Sudir Pravas, so that meeting called Samriddhaman Milan.
अभी हम यहाँ पर भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर सिद्धि की निष्ठा तथा एकांतिक रूप में कृष्ण परतंत्रता वर्णन कर ये कृष्ण किस प्रकार
Steadiness in perfection, that is one-pointed dependence on Shri Krishna, is described in Shri Shishtastakam. Yesterday I told you about by the general love, Krishna cannot be attracted. Krishna cannot be controlled. If you want to control the Krishna, so if you want to attract or control the Krishna, so you need the Braj Prem. Krishna always attracted and controlled by the Brajvasis, especially kinds of love, which is called Sakhya, Vatsalya and Madhurya. By the Sakhya Prem, Krishna is playing with the Sakha Subal Shridam with his friends, and he used to go for cow herding with them, and they used to do abuses each other. They used to do their remnants to each other. They share their remnants each other. In the same way, so this is called the Sakhya Bhav in the Vraj. They have so much deep love towards each other, embracing each other. This is called Sakhya Bhav. And in the Vatsalya Bhav, Braj, Mother Yashoda to the Bal Gopal, how she is loving his child Krishna as a child. Chastisement, she is doing the chastisement to Krishna. She is loving him, she is nourishing him. So everything is done by Mother Yashoda is there. And many kinds of instruction is given by the Nanda Yashoda and their Guru Varga. Krishna used to steal the butter. They used to go to the house of the Brajvasi, and many kinds of
उत्पाद मचा
he used to do so much noise.
उत्पाद मचा और उससे ब्रजवासी लोग
And the same Brajvasi,
दूसरा के निकट
they used to come to Nanda Yashoda and complain about Krishna that he is so much naughty and he is doing so much noise, making so much noise in our houses. He is stealing butter and buttermilk towards in our houses.
खा करके चले जाते हैं
And sometimes he used to come to take butter and he steal butters and he distributed amongst their friends and distributed that to the monkeys,
बछड़ों पे क्या
and he is wasting many kinds of things in our houses.
रस्सी खोल बोलते
And what he used to do, he used to open our calves who are staying in the house.
हैं
When the little calves they sleep,
इसको जाके
so the Gopal came and he used to come and pinch them.
हैं देखो और इससे माँ यशोदा गोपाल की भी कैसे कारण भर्सना
So Mother Yashoda in this way, she is so much chastisement to Krishna.
ये वर्णन किया रामवंदन लीला के
So which is described in the Damvandan Leela.
आनंद रूपम असद कुंडलम
It is described in the Damvandan Leela Damodar Ashtakam.
परामृष्टमत्तम कपटुत्व गुप्पा विदन्तु मुमुर्नेत्र
Paramishtamathyam
परम भुज जुर्मे
Satanka Netram.
देखो कैसे लीला
So this kinds of Leela was happening in the Braj by the Mother Yashoda.
तो इसी प्रकार
So in this way,
भाव के द्वारा
by the Vatsalya Bhav, Krishna is controlled by Mother Yashoda.
रस्सी के द्वारा गोपाल को
Mother Yashoda tied Krishna by the rope.
तो ये ब्रज वात्सल्य भाव को दिखाया
So it is showed the Braj Vatsalya Bhav.
यानी
And Braj Madhurya Bhav,
ब्रज परकीय भाव भी इसमें दिखाया गया
so Braj Parkya Bhav is showed also there,
है गोपियों के साथ
where Krishna with the gopis, he is doing so much, many kinds of leelas with the gopis. So this is also described in the scriptures very nicely.
यह आदि करते
He used to do so many kinds of ras there.
देखो इसी प्रकार
So in this way, Krishna,
ब्रज के प्रेम के द्वारा वशीभूत
he is controlled by the love of Braj.
एक बार कृष्ण रास से अंतर्धान होने के
Once when Krishna disappeared from the ras, when gopis were trying to search Krishna here and there, so what gopis did?
कृष्ण के साथ बांध दिया
Then gopis tied Krishna with Radha ji.
कृष्ण उनके राम
That's why he is called Radha Damodar.
प्रेम की ऐसी भी कहानी
So this is kind of love.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी वर्णन
Here also described.
है इसलिए करें कृष्ण स्वतंत्र होते हुए पर भी है कृष्ण का स्वतंत्रता यहाँ पर वर्णन है।
So we are going to start the 8th chapter's text 1. Asliya vapada ratanam vinashtamam. So let that devotee Krishna tightly embrace this maidservant who is devoted to serving him, and thus delight me, or let him trample me under his feet, or break my heart by not being present before me. He may do whatever he likes. Even if he dallies with his other beloveds directly in front of me, he is still my Prannath, the Lord of my life. In my heart there is no other than him. So this is called one-pointed Nishtha. So this is the one-pointed Nishtha of Radha ji towards Krishna's feet. So this is described in this shloka. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is describing in this shloka. This is the Shishtashtak 8th shloka.
আলিঙ্গিয়া করে আত্মসাৎ কিবা না দেয় দর্শন না জানে মোর তনুমন প্রভূতি হুঁ মোর প্রাণনাথ শ্রী চৈতন্য চরিতামৃতের উপযুক্ত প্রয়ার के बाद
So this prayer is mentioned in the Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita.
সখী শুনো মোর মনের অনিশ্চয় কিবা অনুরাগ করে কিবা দুঃখ দিয়া মারে মোর প্রাণেশ্বর কৃষ্ণ অন্য নয় সারি অন্য নারীগণ মোর বস্তনুমন
मोर सौभाग्य प्रकट करिया दास हृदय पद आसन कर
সেই নারী গণে দেখাইয়া কিবাতে হলম পর তটভীষ্ট সখপট অন্য নারীগণে করে মরে দিতে মন পীড়া মোর আগে করে পীড়া প্রভূতি হোঁ মোর প্রাণ না গণি আপন দুঃখ সবে বাঞ্ছি তার সুখ
तार सुख
আমার তাৎপর্য মরে যদি দিলে দুঃখ তার হইল মহৎ সেই দুঃখ মোর সুখ বর্জ্য
So in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is describing here. So he is describing this katha. He is describing the feelings of Srimati Radhika Rani. Sakhi, I have decided that he may love me and display my fortune by abandoning other beautiful ladies in order that he be controlled by me. He may make them unhappy by performing his loving affairs with me in front of them, or he may be deceitful, arrogant, duplicitous, and debauched, and just to provoke me.
भले ही न फिर भी वो मेरे प्राणनाथ ही सखी मैंने मन में यह निश्चय कर लिया है कि चाहे वे मुझे प्रेम करे अथवा मुझे बताए कष्ट दे मेरा सौभाग्य प्रकट कर अन्य रमणियों के छोड़कर मेरे वशीभूत हो और रमणी के सामने दूसरी रमणी के सामने मेरे सामने विहार करे उनको दुखित करे चाहे
He may be deceitful, arrogant, duplicitous, and debauched,
क्यों न हो
and just to provoke me.
चिढ़ाने के लिए दूसरी वो रमणी के साथ विहार करें फिर भी मेरे प्राणनाथ बनी है मुझे अपने वस्तु की तनिक भी चिंता नहीं है मैं सर्वदा
He may torment me, showing affection to other ladies in my presence. Still, and he and only he is my Prananath. I am not the least concerned for my own suffering. I only desire his happiness always. The goal of my life is to make him happy in every way. If he takes pleasure in giving me distress, that distress is my greatest joy. So it is not possible in this world. This world is full of selfishness.
संसार के लोग के विवाद के कारण क्या है
So what is the main cause of quarreling each other in this world? Because they have their selfishness.
किंतु देखो राधा जी किस प्रकार
But how Radha ji,
प्रेम किस प्रकार निस्वार्थ
how love is so much without selfishness.
अपना स्वसुख अपना
They never desire for their selfishness.
श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika, what she is calling to her,
कृष्ण की सेविका ही मन
she is thinking herself the servant, maid servant of Krishna. This is the Tattva Vichar. Because Krishna,
स्वयं भगवान
he is Bhagwan Swayam.
और सबकी भोक्ता वो है।
and he is the supreme enjoyer.
भोक्ता समझते
Enjoyer,
हैं? सुप्रीम
enjoyer.
एंजॉयर। कृष्ण छोड़ करके
Except Krishna,
और सभी क्या है?
all are
एंजॉय।
enjoy.
भोक्ता भोक्ता और
Bhok-
भोक्ता
Bhokta and Bhogya.
है।
Bhokta, enjoyer and enjoy.
एंजॉयर एंजॉई। कृष्ण जो है स्वयं क्या है?
Krishna is himself,
एंजॉय।
he is the enjoyer, supreme enjoyer.
सुप्रीम एंजॉय। इसलिए
That's why here it is saying, Radhaji is explaining,
आपको रुकना नहीं सकता।
she is without selfishness,
और कृष्ण ऐसा
saying
क्यों करते क्यों हैं?
why Krishna is doing such a things with Radha.
इसलिए हमारे विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
So that's why our Vishwanath Chakravartipad
संपुट
in the Prem Samput Granth, he is described there very nicely. He
प्रेम संपूर्ण ग्रंथ में से
in the Prem Samput Granth,
है। एक ग्रंथ समाप्त होने के बाद
after this
संपूर्ण ग्रंथ में पाठ
I will start a Prem Samput Granth after finishing this Granth. You will go to Mathura from here after this completing this Granth.
इनका दिन में हजारों लोग
So many people are watching on the internet, through the internet.
होता है ना।
Everything is describing on internet, so you can watch there.
यहाँ पर कितना आदमी है? इनका दिन में नहीं।
There are many people watching through internets.
छोटा देख रहे कथा बोलेगा तो
So
थोड़ी
if I speak Katha to see the listeners,
छोटा है।
in the listeners, I have seen many listeners.
एक दिन आता है, दो दिन
Some are sleeping. Someone's come one day and they never come back again.
तो हाँ
And some are coming from the Mayapur.
वर्तमान काल में जो है
So at present,
इसलिए वैज्ञानिक दृष्टि से
according to the science has so much, everything is available just because of science.
सुनने के समय नहीं मिले
If you don't have time to listen in the morning, so you can listen other time, because this is the bone of science.
हम जो कथा
So the Katha we were describing, Radhaji is explaining Vishwanath Chakravartipad in a Prem Samput Granth.
ग्रंथ को प्रकाश कर
He has published that Granth.
प्रेम कैसे निस्वार्थ
How love is so much without selfishness, niswarth.
और वही प्रेम जो है वास्तव रूप में
And the same love actually
एकमात्र राधा कृष्ण के हृदय में है।
is seen in the heart of Radha and Krishna.
जैसे प्रेम के यदि एक
Just like
प्रज्वलित
Prajulit,
दीपक के भांति बनाया जाए,
love is like a burning earthen lamp.
गीला प्रज्वलित गीला
Burning lamp. If he thinks that love is like that,
तो गीला कहाँ रहता है?
so that love, that lamp, where it is resides,
प्रेमिक प्रेमिका के हृदय में रहता
it resides in the heart of lover and beloved.
है। और हृदय को क्या करता है वो?
And what he does in the heart,
उजाला करता है।
it's always manifested so much light there.
बाहर के लोग के समझ नहीं पाते।
So the externally people, they cannot understand that. Just like in your house,
है? अंधकार घर में
there is so much darkness,
जैसे दीपक जला,
and you burn the earthen lamp.
घर की अंधकार में
And
क्या करते हैं?
Internally, the house it is full of light,
अंधकार
and it destroyed all kinds of darkness.
ठीक उसी
In the
प्रकार
same way,
प्रेमिक प्रेमिका के हृदय में जो
in the heart of lover and beloved,
है राधा,
love resides there.
दूसरे के व्यक्ति देख नहीं पाते। है?
So other peoples cannot see
दूसरे
that.
व्यक्ति जो है वो उसके देख नहीं पाते।
So the other peoples cannot see that love.
बोले अंदर में किसने रखा जाता है?
So why it is keeps inside the heart?
हृदय के अंदर है, दो कारण।
There is two reasons. There are two reasons.
चक्रवर्ती पाद का है।
Vishwanath Chakravartipad is saying,
एक तो कहीं हवा में ना बुझ जाए,
maybe there is a wind is flowing, so it can be light off.
घर के अंदर इसको किसने रखा जाता
Why it is
है?
keeping inside the house? Because if there is so much wind is flowing, so it can be light off.
इसलिए अंदर रखा जाता है।
So that's why we always keep it inside the house. And the second reason,
ये देखो आदि के भय से जो है उसको अंदर रखा जाता है। तात्पर्य क्या है?
For the thieves maybe came and steal that. That's why
जैसे
I give you one example.
अपने कोई काम के लिए बाहर गए,
Maybe you have gone somewhere out for your any work.
लाइट नहीं जला है,
If you haven't switched on the light,
घर में कोई नहीं रहा है,
so someone will think that no one is staying in the house. So they will break the lock and will come inside and steal everything from inside.
वो रहे
And if there is light switched on, so people will think, oh, somebody is staying in the house.
आज हम जो आएगा
So that's why no one will come
है,
in your house for stealing something.
बत्ती आदि जलाने से जैसे भूत पिशाच भी आएंगे,
Just like if you have switched on the light, so the host will not come also.
तो उसी प्रकार
In the same way, so just because of thief, they will think, oh, someone is inside the house
रखा जाता है,
and there is a light is burning. That's why thief will not come inside the house. That is the reason also.
प्रेम रूपी प्रज्वलित दीपक तो कहाँ रहता है?
So that's why the burning fire, love is always resides in the heart of lover and beloved.
ओपन
It is very
ओपन कर
confidential. So it is keeps in the heart very confidentially.
रहेगा अंदर में, मैंने गोपन रहेगा, वो उतना ही सुरक्षित रहता है।
So the love, if you keep love in your heart in a very mysterious way or in a very confidential way, so it will be safe there.
मुँह से कह दे मैं तुम्हारे प्रेम
Just it is said in the scripture that if somebody says that I love you, so it is not love. That love will be disappeared from the heart.
जिस प्रकार फिर उदाहरण जैसे कपूर है,
Just like there is a camphor,
कैम्फर को कहाँ रखा जाता है?
you always put the camphor inside one bottle or one packet, or completely tight, airtight packet. If you keep that outside, so what it will be destroyed. In the same way,
प्रेम ऐसे वस्तु से
love is like a thing which you always should keep in a confidential place, and it is staying in the heart of lover and beloved, so it is safe there,
हृदय के जो है वो
and it is glorifying, or it is
यहाँ पर आसमान
giving the light to the heart.
देखो
Radha ji is saying in this way,
रसिक शेखर
Krishna is Rasik Shekhar,
है और वो सन सुख के सागर
and he is the ocean of pleasure.
देव प्रगाढ़ आलिंगन द्वारा मुझे आह्लादित करे अथवा पैर के तले में कुछ और
So may he loves me a lot, or he rubbed me by his feet.
कृपा करके दर्शन
He gave me the darshan by his mercy,
अथवा
or
दर्शन न देकर मर्मांतिक पीड़ा दे,
or he didn't give me the darshan and gave me so much suffering.
मन की भावना को भले ही न समझे,
Maybe he don't understand, maybe he doesn't understand my heart's feeling. I don't care. Radha ji is saying in this way, still he is my Pranath.
कृष्ण के प्रति इतने प्रगाढ़
So she has so much deep love towards Krishna, deep nishtha.
इससे तात्पर्य क्या है? कृष्ण के सुख
So what is the meaning here?
ही उनकी एकमात्र कामना है।
Krishna's pleasure is one and only her desire. What Radha ji wants?
कृष्ण के तत्व
She would like to give the pleasure to Krishna only.
है। प्रेम की एकमात्र उद्देश्य क्या है? तत्व
What is the object of love? One and only object of love. That our beloved must be happy. He must get pleasure. They don't have their own selfishness. This is the object of love. Just like if you say,
कृष्ण चंद्रावली आदि सखियों के कुंज में जब चले जाते
when Krishna used to go to the Chandravalis and other gopis kunj, so why Radha ji got so much man?
हैं, मान करती है
Because she got man because
चंद्रावली आदि सखियों के
Chandravali and other Sakhi, she cannot give that topmost pleasure to Krishna.
वो दे नहीं सकते।
She cannot give.
संपूर्ण रूप से सुख कौन दे सकती है?
Srimati Radhika Rani. So Srimati Radhika Rani, she can give the topmost and complete pleasure to Krishna.
चंद्रावली के कुंज में
And if Krishna goes to Chandravali's Kunj, when she is not able to give so much pleasure to Krishna, then Krishna will be so much hurt. You want battery?
इसलिए कृष्ण की दुख की चिंतन करके राधा जी क्या करती है?
His battery is finished. So that's why Radha ji is ruling to Krishna.
ये चंद्रावली के कुंज में क्यों जाते?
Why do you go to Chandravali's Kunj?
वो तुम्हें तो सुख दे नहीं पाएगी।
She is not able to give so much pleasure.
इसलिए राधा जी
Okay.
मान के द्वारा
That's why Radha ji, by her man,
कृष्ण के इसी प्रकार क्या बोले?
so she is giving the chastisement to Krishna.
भगवान के लीला
And further, Bhagwan's Leela Shakti, it's performing her Leela, and she is arranging all kinds of Leelas there. Then Krishna is doing so many kinds of Rasvilas, because Krishna is Rasik Shekhar. Rasik Shekhar Krishna Param Karuna. Prem Ras Niryat Karite Aswadana, Rag Marge Bhakti Lok Karite Vichar.
रसिक शेखर कृष्ण परम करुण कृष्ण में यही
Krishna is Rasik Shekhar,
परम करुण होने
and he is so much merciful. That's why he is distributing the love to their devotees also. He is relishing the love to their devotees also. Look,
एक बार कृष्ण
once Krishna
कोई गोपियों के साथ
with some gopis,
उनके घर में मिले
he met with her house, her home,
और वो गोपी के गोपी जो है
and then Gopi's husband was sleeping outside.
अभी क्या की
Now what happened?
ना वो गोप
That gop awake.
जाकर के देखा तो
He saw,
मेरे पत्नी के घर में कौन
who is inside my wife's room?
वो गोप ने क्या की
That gop, that husband,
घर में
he entered into the room.
पत्नी के घर में कृष्ण ने क्या की
What Krishna did?
बस जानला से जो है ना
Through the window he jumped up
चलने लगे
and he started running.
सोचने लगे
The gop thinking he is thief,
छोड़ तो मैं पकड़
so I have to catch him.
देखो कृष्ण दौड़ने लगे
So Krishna started running so fast,
भी उसके पीछे
and the gop was chasing him.
कृष्ण तो रसिक है
Because Krishna is Rasik,
और सब माया भी तो है
and Krishna is also have all kinds of Maya.
क्या की
So Krishna, what he did,
देखो
little bit down.
गोपी जो है पत्नी के रूप धारण कर ली
है कृष्णा ने पत्नी का रूप धारण कर लिया.
हाँ? गोप का जो पत्नी का
So Krishna has took the form of her wife, that gop's wife,
रूप है और गोप को दौड़ते दौड़ते जाकर इसको पकड़ ली
and that gop was chasing him and caught him.
और अभी कृष्ण रूपी गोप पत्नी जो है
Now Krishna is in the form of her gopis, or that her wife,
अभी
his wife.
गोप उसके जब पति उसको
When gop has caught her,
गोप कहने लगे भाई
now gop said,
तू जंगला से दौड़ करके क्यों आया
why did you jump through the window? What happened? What is the reason?
तो वो गोपी कहने लगी
That gopi said in the form of
देखो
that Krishna in the form of gopi said,
जब से विवाह हुई आज कृष्ण साहब
since we have got marriage, it has been a long time. I didn't have any kinds of conversation with you.
तुम दिवारात्र के बाद
You day and night
दूध काटने में
always busy in taking the milk from cow,
व्यस्त रहो
herding the cows. You always busy in these works.
कोई प्रेम के बात
So you don't love any kinds of loving affair with me, and you never ask me anything. We didn't have any kinds of relationship.
जब प्यार कभी
Eddie, you got married with me, so you should spend some time with me.
कोई तो समाचार तो कुछ
So you should ask me that how are
और
you,
ये तुम्हारे समय नहीं
but you never have any time. From morning to evening you are so much busy, because the Gwal wake up early in the morning at 3 o'clock when you go to the village side. So the Gwal people, the person who was herding the cows, they always get up early in the morning. Who has 40 or 50 cows,
गोबर इकट्ठा करना
so they collect the gobers, cow dungs, and clean that So they are making all the arrangements for the cows. So they get up early in the morning at 3 a.m. and they started taking milk from the cows. So they have so much work. So in this way, 11, 12, maybe the time midday. So they take some prashads. Then after taking some prasad, they used to go for herding the cows. The Gwal people used to do like this, and then they return back at 4 p.m. When they return back for 4 p.m., then they are serving the cows again. So in this way, it becomes 10 p.m. So from morning 3 a.m. to 10 p.m. in the night, so they are so much busy in serving the cows. Where is the time? So Yogmaya is arranging everything is here. Yogmaya, she is arranging these all kinds of things, because she is keeping busy his husband. Because Gop have this kinds of abhiman that she is my wife, but they have never kinds of affair like a wife of her. They have never kinds of any relationship. So Yogmaya is arranging all these things, because these all kinds of gopis are not ordinaries. They are not human being ladies like. They don't have 5 elements body. These all gopis are Sachidanand. They have the transcendental body. So it is mentioned somewhere that they got child and they are suffering like. So this is for making the people understand. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti is said, so they are so big rishis munis who have done the austerities for 1,000 years. They have got the siddhi in their Gopal months, and now they have the gopi bodies. So they are not ordinary. So now that gopi is saying, Krishna in the form of gopi is saying, so since I have got married with you, I don't have any relationship with you like a wife. So I have thought, when you enter in my room, I thought maybe I go do a little bit laugh and jokes with you. That's why I jumped through the windows, and you thought that I am a thief, and now you are started chasing me. So that Gop is thinking in his mind that the wife, whatever she is telling me, it is true actually. Because since I got married with her, so I haven't treated my wife, haven't seen my wife properly, that how she looks like. So because at the time of marriage in the Braj there is a tradition, they used to do so much long pallu, parda, the curtains on their faces, they covered their faces. So she is black or white, what kind of color she has, I didn't check. Okay, today, now we will go for forest, both. Now Krishna in the form of Gopi and that Gop, they are started moving for the forest. So there are so much beautiful forest in the Vrindavan. You haven't seen the Vrindavan actually. Have you seen the Vrindavan? You haven't seen the Vrindavan. It's not like that big stories building is there. When we came to Rup Sanatan, what kind of Vrindavan was there? There's so much forest, greenery is there. Greenery was there. So all the trees has been cutted. No coils, no cuckoos there. No peacock is there. Nothing. There is no Nilgai, blue cow. Because there are so many monkeys nowadays. They are snatching all the things from you. But actually whatever is mentioned in our scriptures, that Vrindavan is so much beautiful, so beautiful.
सुंदर सुंदर वृक्ष आदि की तरफ
There are so big trees were there.
हैं। आसन सारी बद्ध के वृक्ष आदि हैं। एक एक वृक्ष के सारी जो है एक एक तरफ होता है,
Sorry.
उल्टा पलटा नहीं है, हैं।
So that time the trees was in a very row. All kinds of trees in a very different way. They are in a very row.
भागवत में वर्णन है।
It is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
What is called that? Murari.
देखो
Now,
और सुंदर चंद्रमा रोशनी जो है
so the beautiful rays of moon was.
कैसे पेड़ों की पत्ते के ऊपर प्रतिफलित होकर
So it is-
जमीन पर आते हैं।
It is manifesting. It is manifesting on the trees of the
चंद्रमा
leaves of the trees.
जो किरण जब
So when the rays of the moon
ऊपर पड़ते हैं,
is
अब पत्ते जब हवा के जब हिलते हैं तब वो किरण कभी कभी क्या होता है जमीन पर आते
it's manifesting on the leaves of the trees. So when leaves is moving, so it looks like very wrinkled and shining, so much shining. So that is a very awesome view that time. When you see that, so you will feel so much pleasure. It is like jilmil.
उजाला भी नहीं है,
What is jilmil?
अंधेरा नहीं।
So there is not completely so much darkness or not so much light there.
चंद्रमा के रोशनी पड़ते हैं और पत्ता जब हिल जाते हैं तो चंद्रमा की रोशनी क्षणिक काल के लिए जमीन पर आ जाते हैं।
So sometimes the rays of
क्या
the
होता है?
moons comes on the earth and sometimes on the leaves of the trees. So that is the awesome view. It is blinking like. There is no so much hot, there is no so much cold. A beautiful wind is flowing
और अनेक प्रकार के जो है
and many kinds of
आदि जो है
the birds are chirping.
कहा जाता है।
In the night time they are so much nishachar pakshi. They are little bit chirping, making some sounds
रात्रिकालीन
like this.
रात्रिकालीन पुष्प जो है
So there are many kinds of flowers.
रात के रानी
Raat ki Rani, queen of night flowers. There is so much beautiful fragrance in that flowers. It is a white color flower. Little flower, very little.
सुगंध होता है
So it is so much fragrance is there,
और सारी तरफ
and all the way
सुगंध में
it is all the way there is fragrance is going everywhere,
और जमुना की पुली
and there is a bank of Yamuna is there.
कृष्ण रूपी गोपी और
So Krishna in the form of Gopi and that Gop, they are visiting the forest. Then now the Gop is thinking himself very fortunate,
पत्नी की सुख
because what is actually the pleasure in the wife. So now I am getting that pleasure. What kind of pleasure wife has.
फिर
So he was visiting with her wife. So when the time is spent like 1 hour or 2 hours, so Krishna in the form of Gopi said, "Oh, now I am so much tired. So I would like to sleep now."
गोप आगे
So that Gop,
गोप आगे उसके पीछे गोपी है धन
so that Gop is ahead and that Gopi is behind him.
और गोपी माने कृष्ण
So when that Gop and Gopi, Krishna in the form of Gopi, entered into the homes, then Krishna disappeared.
हमारी पत्नी हमारे पीछे ही है
So Gop was thinking that my wife is behind me.
अपने घर में
So when Gop came into the home,
पत्नी के घर में ऐसे झोंका देखा तो अपने पत्नी
so when he entered into the room of his wife, so he saw that his wife was snoring that time. She was sleeping and snoring. So he said that, "Oh, you were chasing me, you were behind me. Now how you can sleep so tightly? You are snoring now. What happened to you?"
गोपी उठी
The Gopi woke up. The real Gopi now woke up.
अरे अभी तो 2 बज रहे हैं
It is 2 a.m. in the morning. Why are you so much making noise? Why are you so much quarreling? Hare?
गोप तो चिंता में पड़ी
Then Gop was thinking, what happened to her?
अरे 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ,
अरे
हम केवल
just there is within just 2 minutes we came together, and within 2 minutes you have slept like slept so tight.
मैं देखो ग्वाल होते हैं, ग्वालिनी जो होते हैं वो अपने पति पत्नी के
So
साथ
the Gwalini, they used to talk like this, very very rude behavior with their husbands.
ग्वाल बात एक गोप तो इसमें
So Gopa was so much confused. What happened?
क्या
What happened to her?
तो आप बात कर रहे हो तो कहीं नहीं है।
Actually, she never went anywhere. That's why that Gopa was confused.
अरे नहीं अभी तुम्हारे साथ तुम जो है
So the Gopa said that you jumped through this window, and he told all the stories to her, and I was with you. We were walking in the forest, and we were visiting in the forest. Beautifully fragrance was there. Everything. And Gopi said, your mind is sick. You are sick now. For herding the cows, your mind has become sick. Your mind is bust now.
गाय चराते चले दिखा रहे हैं, तू सपना में चले।
So you must be seeing the dream.
वो मन विचार
You must be dreaming. So Gopi is saying, oh yes, this is true. You are saying right.
सर मैं गया ही नहीं,
Maybe I haven't go anywhere.
और फिर एक बार करे गया नहीं,
And then again said that if I haven't go, so how it has happened? Gopi said that you were dreaming that time.
अभी तो मेरा नींद पूरा नहीं,
Because I was sleeping here since long, so how can I go with you? So Gop said
उसके पत्नी के तो आँख लाल है,
maybe because he saw that her wife's eyes were red, because if your sleep is not complete, if you don't have any kinds of sound sleep, so your eyes must be red, and you will sleep in the katha, Hari Katha.
तो मन में विचार करने लगी,
So she was thinking in her mind, yeah, the Gop was thinking in his mind, yeah, she is true. I was in dream. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.
इसी प्रकार
So in this way, Krishna,
है, ना जाने कैसे लीला आदि को
so he is doing so many kinds of leelas. There are many kinds of leelas. So according to the time, I will tell you one leela.
हैं? देखो
Look,
है, इसे एक लीला के कहते हैं
this leela is called Gop Chaura Leela, Gopi Chaura Leela.
है? इसी प्रकार
So in this way,
कैसे कैसे लीला आदि का
Krishna has done so many kinds of leelas with the gopis.
इसकी बात कृष्ण की इसलिए कहा जाता है,
Krishna, that's why he is called.
जैसे मेरा किताब पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा,
Have you heard my book?
क्या पढ़ा है? मधुस्मिता राधा पढ़ा कभी?
In the Madhusmita Radha, have you read?
हाँ, उस चैप्टर को पढ़ा,
In the chapter
मिस्टीवार ऑफ कृष्ण,
Mystivar Krishna,
कौतुकी कृष्ण,
Kautuki,
कौतुकी कृष्ण कैसे होता है?
mysterious Krishna, Mystivar, I don't know Kautuki. Kautuki Krishna, you know? Kautuki means so much kinds of naughty. He's making so much kinds. He is doing so much kinds of naughty activities. So in this way, Krishna,
अनेक प्रकार लीला आदि
he did so mani kinds of pastime with Radhaji and other gopis. So Radhaji, in this way, she is saying here, he is my Prannath anyhow.
मैंने दर्शन दे
He gave me darshan or not, I don't care.
है, उनके सुख ही सुख,
So his pleasure is my own pleasure.
अभी इस लीला को स्मरण करने वाले वैष्णव भगवान की भांति सच्चिदानंदमय होते हैं।
So the devotee who remembers this pastime is transcendental, being filled with eternally knowledge and bliss, Satchidanand, just like the Supreme Lord. A Vaishnav bodies. So hearing these kinds of leela, what happens? Your body becomes transcendental.
देखो
Look,
दो प्रकार की सोना बनता है,
there are
गोल्ड
the gold is making in two ways.
खनिज से जो मिलते हैं,
One which we are getting from the mines,
हैं?
that is
और
called
एक सोना शास्त्र में कहा गया,
material gold, and there is one kind of gold is called, which is made some chemical reaction. We can also make some gold.
दोनों सोना की जो
It is also said by science.
एक ही से दिया जाता है।
So both kinds of gold giving the same priority.
जो सोना
The gold which is coming which we are getting from the mines, so it is this gold, and the other gold which we are getting from the chemical reaction, so these both are same, so that they have the same priority or value.
है। तो आप बताओ,
So now tell,
रासायनिक प्रक्रिया के द्वारा सोना क्यों नहीं हम बनाते हैं?
so why we don't make so much gold with the chemical reaction?
कष्ट बन जाता है।
So because that is so much costly.
खनि से जो सोना मिलता है,
The gold which we are getting from the mines, so that value cost,
रासायनिक प्रक्रिया से बनाने
so that cost is low, and the cost of chemical reaction that is high.
रासायनिक प्रक्रिया के द्वारा
So according to the chemical reactions or chemical process, if we are making gold, so it is so much costing, there is so much costing.
ब्रज गोपियां जो
So that's why those are Nitya Siddha gopis, they have the transcendental body.
किंतु एक साधक
But the sadhak, when he is performing bhajan,
है,
he is doing his work. Let him do.
2 मिनट के बाद कर दो, तो तुम्हारी वो ये आ रहे हैं ना, सब दिखाई पड़ेगा। ये देखना ना, ये है। आप थोड़ा बाद में करवा लो, अरे 2 मिनट हम कथा समाप्त कर लेंगे। तो इंटरनेट जा रहे हैं ना, देखो तुम्हारी वो छवि जो है अब दिखाई पड़ेगा। कोई बात नहीं है, मेरा बात सुनो, तो ये दिखाई पड़ेगा ना। ये तो कक्षा बंद करके काम करो, समझ में आता है कि नहीं? बांग्ला समझ लो। हाँ, क्या बोला?
So what we said, we were talking about sona. The gold which is making by the chemical reaction, it is so much costing. So in this way, the gopis, so the Krishna Swarup Shakti, Haladini Shakti, Srimati Radhika,
आदमी शक्ति श्रीमती राधिका, ये समस्त गोपियां क्या है?
these all gopis are
कृष्ण की
Krishna's,
काय से, राधा जी की काय बुरा है?
these all are the expansion, Kaya view of Srimati Radhika Rani.
और जो जीव भजन करके जो
And when the Jeev is performing bhajan and they are going to transcendental worlds,
और इसमें कोई अंतर नहीं
actually there is no difference between that Jivas and those Nitya Kaya view.
जीव जा रहे हैं, वह उनके सभी भी चिन्मय हैं।
So everybody gets transcendental body there.
ये दोनों की जो है उसमें काय विभव है। क्या बोले? परिकर बलि गणि,
Parikal Valigani.
परिकर बलि गणि, जो जीव जो है
So the Jeev,
भजन साधन
after performing so much bhajan sadhan,
तो गोलोक वृंदावन
when they reach to Nitya Golok Vrindavan and serve there Radha Krishna,
हमारे प्रसिद्ध बताते हैं साधन सिद्धि भाव सिद्धि,
so whatever I told the procedure, sadhan siddhi, bhav siddhi, swarup siddhi, vastu siddhi and parikar, then they will enter into the leela.
पर ही
So when they enter into that leela, so there is no difference between the kaya view and that jivas. They get the transcendental body.
हैं?
They get the transcendental body.
सेवा की इतना ही जो है
So
वैशिष्ट रहा।
so they have the tendency, different kinds of service there.
वह पर सेवा की क्या करते हैं? सेवा वैशिष्ट,
So there is a seva vaishishta is there, a specialty in seva.
जो नित्य सिद्धा जो
Those are Nitya Siddha and or the Kai views of Srimati Radhika Rani.
निकटगत सेवा,
So they have Nikatgat Seva, very near Seva from Radhika Rani, and the Jeev who is performing bhajan and sadhan and reach there
गोपी भाव प्राप्ति
and they got the gopi vas or they got the gopi form,
क्या करते किया जाता है?
Dukadva, Dur.
निकटगत सेवा दिया।
So they get Dur's Gat Seva, means distance Seva. But still,
सिद्धा गोपियों की इतने परम करुण होता है,
because the Nitya Siddha gopis are so much merciful, sometimes they used to give some Nikatgat. Huh? Bahar wali.
निकटगत सेवा क्या है? प्राप्त समझ
some near seva, near this. What is durgat seva and neargat
जैसे
seva?
आप मानो गोपी होकर के
Just
वहीं
like
सेवा करें।
just like being a gopi, you are serving there. The jeev is serving in a form of gopi
आपके
there.
लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Now what you have to do?
चंदन घिसो,
So you have to make a paste of sandalwood,
गुंथन करो,
make the garlands,
तुलसी तोड़ करके
pluck
ले
the
आओ,
flowers.
तोड़ करके ले आओ। ये समझते हो?
So you will have this kinds of service there. But
राधा कृष्ण की जो श्रृंगार फूल के द्वारा श्रृंगार ही
so whatever the preparation is done for Radha Krishna
वस्त्र आदि धारण करना
and giving some cloths, make or whatever kinds of service there, nikat.
है? वो नित्य सिद्ध गोपी।
So Nitya Siddha gopis or the Kaivu will do that.
ललिता आदि
Just like Radha, Lalita, Vishakha,
की सेवा आदि जो है
because they have nikat. So they have very near seva of Radha Krishna. Sometimes
ये नहीं कह सकते हमें नहीं देंगे, कभी-कभी
it is not said that they will not give us the nikat seva like the near seva, because
निकटगत सेवा दी।
they will provide some chance to us, but most of the time they will do that.
ये आप इतना ही करना है? आज? है? कहेंगे जाओ, है? फूल करके ले आओ।
Go and pluck the flowers, make the garlands,
माला गुंथन करो।
clean the kunj,
है? काठी या माला तीर माला दिव दुहार गले अधरे पुलिया दिव
wash the dishes. I will wash the dishes and make cooking for Radha ji.
कभी ऐसे जो है माला गुंथन से आपने डायरेक्ट सेवा करने के लिए लोग
Sometimes you will get the direct service. Yeah, this is called the direct service and indirect service. I don't need fan. No. Oh Prabhu, you take. Prabhu.
क्योंकि वहाँ पर सभी के शरीर जो है
Because everybody has transcendental body there.
सेवा सेवा में
नहीं, आज हमने थोड़ी जल्दी कथा स्टार्ट कर दी.
अभी रहते हैं
Time is 6:40 and we have started the katha around, because 1 hour is almost complete. Only 3 minutes left. Radhika Priyatmani Shishima Bhakti Vedanta.
इसलिए कोई साधक निरुत्साहित न हो।
Here.
ये हम मुझा पर सेवा नहीं
You
करेगा,
can.
ऐसे ही। सदियों की जो है सेवा प्रदान किया जाता है।
So everybody gets service there.
क्योंकि वहाँ पर
Because
सब लाड चित्त वाले
Everybody is so much broad-hearted there. Very, very broad-hearted.
प्रभु की यानी कृष्ण की सेवा के लिए सब आपको लगाते हैं।
They are always engaging you in the service of Krishna.
वहाँ पर जो नित्य सिद्ध आदि जो तो अपने आप सब क्या बोलते हैं
Hare Baba.
सेवा में अपने सब जानते हैं कैसे कैसे।
So Nitya Siddha gopis, they know what is the service they have to do. When the jeev goes from here, so what they has to do? Association.
ट्रेनिंग
They has to take the training.
जैसे हमारे बच्चों में टाइम
Just like our Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying, Pale dasi kari,
ललिता सुंदर
lalita sundari,
हमारे लैया कबे
hamare laiya kabe.
राजी का पौधे काले नीलाई समर किरे अदा सेवा समर किरे अदा सेवा समर किरे हमारे लैया कबे श्री विशाखा पदे संगीत सीखीब है कृष्ण लीला रसम
Krishna Leela Rasamaya.
यहाँ पर जो है ललिता सखी के अनुगत
So under the guidance of Lalita Sakhi,
फिर ललिता सखी आपसे कहेंगे जाओ
and then Lalita Sakhi will tell you, you go to Vishakha
विद्या सीख करके आओ
and learn this kinds of lesson,
संगीत विद्या
the music teaching.
विद्या सीख करके
You go to Roop Manjari and learn this kinds of vidya,
ललिता
knowledge.
जो है, वो
Because Lalita is,
क्या होता है चिफ कमेंडार होता है
she is the commander there. She is the chief amongst all.
होता है ना
Because we have seen in the army there is a chief commander. In the same way, Lalita Sakhi is the chief commander there. She is ordering to everybody.
ललिता सुंदरी हमारे लैया कबे श्री विशाखा पदे काले समर गिरे आका सेवा समर गिरे पदे आज्ञा विशाखा पदे संगीत ललिता देवी सब लिस्ट बनाई.
So Lalita Devi will make a list and she will provide you that you have to go for teaching this lesson to that Sakhi.
जब पूरा रूप से आपकी जब
When you will be expert.
एक्सपर्ट हुए ट्रेनिंग में हो
So
जाएगा.
after completing your training, then you will engage in the service of Radha Krishna. First you have to train. What a process there. Very nice.
ये समझ रही है.
So this is the Katha. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
कितना सुंदर आगे जाकर के
जय जयकार हो.
मतलब ट्रेनिंग का बाद निकट से वह प्राप्ति होगा.
ना 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 जी. Indirect
ट्रेनिंग का बाद. हाँ.
You will get chance. Not all the time. तो वो तेरे मोबाइल.
आप मिलिट्री में जाओ, आपके भर्ती होने के साथ ही साथ इसमें क्या बोले बैटल फील्ड में भेज नहीं देते. 6 महीने जो है आपके ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है. आज में सब तो जाए. आज में जैसे ठंडी में क्या बोले बर्फ के ऊपर जो जैसे आप चीन भारत के जो है कितना बर्फ है उसका भी ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है. बर्फ के ऊपर चलना का कैसे चलना है. 50 किलो वजन लेकर के आपको दौड़ना पड़ेगा. आगे मुद्दा क्या बोलो जो पहनते हैं मुद्दा मैं क्या बोलते हैं चलना पड़ेगा. खाना पीना उसी प्रकार दे देते हैं. वहीं पर कोई ड्राई खाना थोड़ा सा दे दिया बस उसका शरीर तंदुरुस्त रहेगा.
So those people who are staying in the China border and somewhere, you know, so how they have to live there in the cold winters, how they have to suffer there. When person goes to army, so he take an oath on the Gita. You don't have that I am surrendering my life. I am surrendering my life to the serving Bharat, India. So I will not turn back if I am going to die still. So that person has to take an oath. So he will get all kinds of training there. So at the time of winter he has to suffer, at the time of cold he has to suffer, at the time of hot he has to suffer there. So all kinds of training will be given to him. So these all kinds of training is happening in the Prakat Leela. So in any Brahmand where Krishna's Leelas is going on, so at that place you will get all kinds of training, and after passing on the training you will go to Nitya Golok Vrindavan in the Aprakat Leela. You will go there. So sometimes my wristwatch used to stop working. Maybe there is no cell. Okay, now Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. I won't go anywhere.